In this video, I will show you a very nice report created by Bud Brown. You can find it on thelovereports.com, where you also can find a couple of useful phrase books and other reports. But the one I like to show you today is the non-verbal communication in the Philippines. If you buy that separately or you buy this bundle, um, you will download a PDF with non-verbal communication in the Philippines. Gestures and movements you must know if you are planning to go to the Philippines. It's really a fun and useful um, report because you probably know there are different ways of showing different things. So here is a little pre-test. There are some different funny things there, and also there is a video. There is a slideshow video included in the report, so it's real nice. So go to thelovereports.com, buy the non-verbal communication in the Philippines report, either separately or in this all-in-one package. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.